I'm Shivali Sharma, an Azure DevOps Engineer specializing in cloud infrastructure, automation, and deployment. I work with Microsoft Azure, Terraform, Docker, and Kubernetes to build and manage reliable cloud environments. My experience includes Microsoft Azure, networking, security, identity management, and CI/CD automation. I also use Terraform to automate the infrastructure and work with Docker and Kubernetes, including deployments on Azure Kubernetes services. I focus on reducing manual work, improving the deployment process, and keeping the infrastructure secure, scalable, and easy to maintain. Whether you need a new Azure environment, CI/CD automation, Terraform infrastructure, and support with the AKS, I can work with you from setup to implementation as I value clean process and long-term reliability.